Hey everyone, my name is Dhruv Singhal. I study in class 10th in the modern school ECNCR Kundli. I love robotics and a lot. And I have also done many courses from Avishkaar and I am also learning IoT from Avishkaar. They make very good kits and products for kids and adults. Today I have made a smart Wi-Fi car which works on Wi-Fi and we can control it from our mobile phone. For that we need to connect to it Wi-Fi and for that we need to install an application. I have also added an IR sensor in the front of the car which can detect the obstacle and notify the driver by making the buzzer sound. This system is very helpful in the night time for the drivers who have eyesight problems and seeing obstacles in the front of the car. This system also reduces many accidents at night time. Let me give you a short demo for this project.